The future of transportation is electric, but making the most of an electric vehicle's performance and reliability can be a challenge. That's where Nira Dynamics comes in. Using advanced software and fleet data, we're able to optimize electric vehicle performance in ways that were never before possible. Our software allows for dynamic recuperation strategies, extending the range and energy of your electric vehicle. It also enables safer regeneration in all road conditions, and with the help of AWD, it helps to navigate slippery road conditions. We also optimize charging strategies and routing, taking factors like road roughness, wetness, and tire type into account. This means you'll always have the power you need to reach your destination with minimal environmental impact. With Nira Dynamics, you can make the most of your electric vehicle's performance and reliability, all while minimizing environmental impact and reducing costs. Upgrade your car's performance with us today.